Okay, number 3, T. Tana wet. The white cat is here. Corn picture number 16. Ah, 4 is here 2 times. I don't know how you do that. You have 2 4s. Wow. It's your ghost. Okay, maybe 1 more minute, and we can start the class. 1 more minute.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, number 16, Corn. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, here's another one, number 18. And I think maybe we can start now. Okay, class, good afternoon. I think we can start. Hello.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, again.
Okay. Okay, so today we're going to play the game Kahoot again. So if you remember, it's the quiz game. You have to choose the right answer and then we get points. This time, I think I want to make it more easy. So, first of all, I will show you something you have to read before the game starts. So you can study something. And then I will give you at least 30 seconds. Because last time, you had to think very, very fast, like click, 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 very fast. And I think maybe it's too hard. So this time I give you more time. This time you have 30 seconds. Okay, so the first part is you have to study 2 papers or 2 pages. Before we play the game, you can study these 2 pages. Number 7 is here. And if you can study it, you can get the good score in the game. And class, if you get 7 out of 10, I'll be very happy. If you can get 7 or 8 or 9, I'll be very happy. So please study this page before we play the game. Study this page first. Guys, I'll give you about maybe 3 minutes. Please study this page. You have to remember. Okay, so before I go to the next page, so it says here that if you put something in the water and it can dissolve, it forms a homogeneous mixture. So we put the blue crystals in the water, and now the water is blue. But we don't see the crystals, we only see the blue water. That is called a solution. The crystals, this is a solid, solute, and the water is the solvent. But you can also have gas, it can dissolve in water, or liquid, it can also dissolve in water. So this time we have a solid, but gas and liquid can also dissolve in water. Let's see what else. Okay, and there has to be more water than crystals, otherwise this doesn't work. If we have a little bit of water and a lot of crystals, it does not work. Okay, class, can I go to the next page? Okay, I hope so. Okay, class, please study this page. Please study. Okay, so we learn here the name of this blue crystals or blue powder. It's more like crystals. The name of the blue crystals, the name is copper sulfate. So it has copper, it has sulfur, and it has oxygen. Copper sulfate. And this one, it can dissolve in the water. Yes, so it is soluble. And here are some other things. So we can see sugar. Yes, it can dissolve. Salt. Yes, it can dissolve. And sand, no, it cannot dissolve. Okay, so when the copper sulfate go into the water, it doesn't disappear. It's still there, but it's mixed very, very well with the water. So we can't see it. It's mixed really, really well. That's why it's a homogeneous solution. And then if you want to add more copper sulfate, you can do it. But maybe you must make the water hot. You have to heat up the water. And then you can add more copper sulfate. And Koranut is here, number 21. Okay. Okay, class, are you ready to play the game? Class, are you ready to play the game Kahoot?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here's another late student. I think maybe I wanna give the students just a minute. They're late. I just give them a minute to quickly look at these pages. Then we can play the game. Okay, I'll just wait 1 minute for this page and 1 minute for the next page, and then we play the game. Okay, let's play. Okay, so I'm going to share the link or the number with you. So first I have to share. Do you have to go to the website Kahoot? So let's see. I will share that link also with you. Kahoot. Kahoot. Okay, so this is the link for. So first I have to put in this one. I will also put it on the chat. This is group 5. Yeah, this is group 5. Paste. And then you have to put in the pin. So let me find it. Yeah. There we go. This one, copy. Paste. You don't actually need the EN. It's just 675551. There we go. Here's the first one. 675551. Find it again. 67551. Okay. So far I have 3 students. Let's wait for more students. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students so far. 9 students, 10 students, 11 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 12 students. Where is Sirada? I don't see Sirada. Or is here. Cow home is here. Ah, here's another one. Bye, Fern. That's it. That's 21. Good job. Okay, class, I think all the students are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Maybe there's one student who's not here. Where's T? There's T. Cartoon 1. That's cartoon 9, okay. Om. Okay, class, are you ready? I think I want to start. Okay, let's go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and go. What is a solvent? Okay, so let's see. Next. 6 students have the right answer. Ooh, looks like Noi was the fastest. Okay, next question. What is a solution? What size here? No, that's atom. Seven students are right. Okay, and the answer is yellow. Noe is still at the top, and then Paimon. Now what's happening? Huh? Oh. I think it's stuck. Oh, next. Sorry. Okay, sorry. How much solvent do you need? Ah, not bad. 9 students are right, and the blue answer is right. So let's see. Okay, looks like the position did not change. Okay, here's a video you have to watch. Okay, it's fine. You just can't play the game, but I see you are here. Oh, only 5 students has it right. The white powder is added to water. It dissolves well. Okay, next. Ooh, and Baimon goes to the top. Good job, Baimon. Next question. True or false? You can add only one solute to the solvent. So answer is false. Oh, only 5 students has it right. So now you can add more than one. You can add 2, you can add 3, you can add 4. Paimon is still at the top, and then Noi go to position number 2. Next question, true or false again? Okay, let's see. Yeah, most students has the right answer. So answer is true. Very good. Good job. Whom has a little flame? I don't know why. And position doesn't really change, but Pok Pong is moving up. Good job, Pok Pong. Next question. Okay, if we heat up, we can add more copper sulfate. True or false? Okay, yeah, most students has it right. Good job. Most students are right. So yes, answer is true. And Pokpong goes higher. And Noe and Baimon still stays. Ooh, Poom has a winning streak of 5. That's good. True or false? Haha, 8-8. But actually the answer was true. Let's see what's happening. Ooh, Noi go to the top, and Bifern is moving up a little bit. Baimon and Pokpong stays at a good position. Sand can dissolve in water. True or false? Oh, most students are right. So it's false. No, actually most students are wrong. It's false. Sand cannot dissolve in water. Okay, position is staying, but Noi has more score or has more points. There are 3 players with a winning streak. Last question. What is the color of the copper sulfate? Most students are right. Yeah, it's blue indeed. Most students are right. Good job. Podium. Number 3. Bifern. Yay. 6. And another 6. Baimon. It was faster. And number 1. 7. Is that Noi? Yeah, that's Noi. And who's 5 and 6 or 4 and 5? Cartoon and Ko Feng. Go back to the podium. That was 4 and 5. Okay. That's it. Okay, here's number 17 also now. Okay, so well done. Looks like at least one student had at least one student had 7 out of 10. Maybe my questions were slightly more difficult than I thought. So let me see if I can This is what I want to see. I just want to see who's 4 and 5. I will take a screenshot. Who's 4 and who's 5? Oh, come on. No, they're gone. Never mind. Okay. So let's stop sharing. Okay, class, I think that wasn't too bad. I think that looks like 30 seconds is okay for you. You don't need more time. So 30 seconds is okay. And at least quite a few students had 6 out of 10. And I think it's a difficult topic. The dissolution of substances, which is why I wanted to do it again today. I think chemical change is maybe is not so hard, but dissolution of substances is hard. Okay, so let's continue the book work. I will share my screen. This one. So last week we've done this question. We've already finished it. And like I say, I think I will give you a question like this in the semester test. Maybe exactly like this in the semester test, because I like this question. Okay, and I just want to check the names. There was another student, number 15 is here. Oh, number 15 is here. That's it. Yes. Okay. Okay. So class, please take out your book. Let's do the next question. So please take out your book and open to page 183. So let's do some questions. I will wait for the students to open your books. One, 8, 3. Okay, class, is your books open? Are your books open?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay, so let's do a few questions. So the first question here, you have to tell me, where is the chemical change? Is it A, or is it B, or is it C?
B.
Yeah, that's it. Cooking. Cooking is always a chemical change. It's B, very good. And why do we know it's a chemical change? Is there gas? Is there color change?
Color change.
Yeah, it's a color change, and I think a
Smell,
smell
taste.
is, yeah, smell, taste, and color. Yeah, when you cook the food, it's always a chemical change. Okay, and then, so in the next picture, or next question, number 2, where is the chemical change, A or B or C?
C.
Yeah, that's it. So a fire is always a chemical change. It makes gas, it makes light, it makes a smell. Yeah, so a fire is a chemical change. Oh, and it also makes a powder. It also makes ash. Okay, class, are you finished?
Yes.
And I hope the other students are finished. 4, are you finished? Number 24.
Yes, I am finished.
Ah, good job. Okay. Next question. Okay, so we have to read something. So it says here, KFSI, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. KFSI did an experiment. Oh, it's a she. This is what she did. She mixed the substance A, which is a white solid, she mixed it with water. And then she saw that the substance A, it dissolves fully in the water and it becomes homogeneous. So maybe it's salt or maybe it's sugar. And then she put this solution in an evaporating dish and then she heated. And then she evaporated, the water evaporated, and substance A was left on the evaporating dish. Okay. So first she dissolved it, and then she put the water on the stove and boiled the water, and now it's just a powder. So is the change reversible or irreversible? And why? So that means, can you dissolve it again? So we had the solid, we dissolve it, we take away the water, now we have the solid again. Can we dissolve it again? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we can. It is reversible. So it's not irreversible, it's reversible. That means it has to be a physical change. Yeah, a good job. So it is reversible, and so this was a physical change. Okay, class, I hope you finished. Okay. Now we have the multiple choice questions. There are 20 questions. And yeah, I wonder if I want to give you 10 minutes. Please try to do the questions. So class, I will give you 10 minutes. Please try to finish the multiple choice questions. Then we do the answers and you can see how much did you get. Okay, so please do it on your own. I'm going to give you maybe more than 10, maybe 12 minutes. Please do the multiple choice. Then I give you the answers. Okay. Okay, so I give you 12 minutes. Please do the multiple choice questions, page 184 and page 185. And class, if you want to help your classmate, that is good. So you can help your classmate, or you can ask another classmate to help you. That's good. Still have some time. Just want to know if some students have a question. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so you still have 5 minutes. Please try to do the questions. Okay, class, you still have 3 minutes. You still have 3 minutes to finish the questions. Okay, I think it's time. So let's see how many questions we can do. If we cannot finish, we just finish it next period. Okay, class, let's get the answers. So question 1, which one is caused by decrease of heat? The dry ice changed to vapor. The boiling water changes to water vapor. That doesn't sound right. Ice cube melts. I think it's that one, right? I think it's C. No, this one. That's weird. Ice cube melts. I think, no, decrease means colder. Something happens, it's colder. Yeah, okay, so it's D. Okay. The first question was a little hard. So please check your question and see how many points you have now. Okay, question 2. Which one is right about making ice? Okay, so when you make ice, the liquid changes to the solid. So what is the
D.
letter? Yeah, it
D.
has to be D. That's it, D. Okay, good. Okay, which one has condensation? So condensation, it means when the gas changes to the liquid. A, B, C, or D?
A.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. When the water forms under glass, and that's because of condensation. Okay, naphthalene balls, also called moth balls. It's a poison you use to kill moths. They are white. They leave it in the wardrobe to kill the moths. But then they get smaller. So why do they get smaller? Evaporation, sublimation, condensation, or melting? So that answer is page 149. I think all the answers are on page 149. Let's go to that page. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the wrong. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so naphthalene means that the solid becomes the gas. So solid to gas is sublimation. That has to be, I think it's C. No, sorry, it's B. Okay, sublimation is B. Okay, question 5. If we mix water with alcohol, what happens? I'm sure the class can do this. Is it a chemical reaction? Is it dissolution? Is it a change of water or a change of state or a chemical change? Which one is it? So when you mix the alcohol with the water, what happened?
I think B.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're smart. Yeah. So this dissolution, it means to dissolve. And yes, we know that, yes, alcohol can dissolve in water. So it's B. Okay, maybe we can just finish this page. So first read and then answer. When water is heated until it's boiling, the water vapor will occur. If a glass with cold water is placed on a tabletop, water droplets will form. Okay, so first one. Which changes take place in A and B? So let's see. A is vaporization and B is condensation. So, A, B, C, D?
B.
Yeah, it's definitely B. Yeah. Vaporization and condensation, it's definitely B. Okay, then from question 6, what can you say? That there are chemical changes, it's the dissolution of something, there are physical changes, or A is chemical and B is physical. So when the matter changes to another state, like on page 149, when a liquid goes to a gas or gas goes to a solid, is that physical or chemical?
Physical.
That's it, good job. So it has to be ABC, has to be C. Yeah, it's physical, they're both physical changes. Okay, question 8. Which is not correct about the dissolution of things? Okay, it's when you mix substances with a new substance is formed. I don't think that's correct. I think A is wrong. Yeah. What do you think, class? A, B, C, D?
Yeah.
It's A. I think it's A. A is wrong. It's not a new substance. When you put the sugar in the water, you don't get a new substance. Okay, question 9. Which one cannot dissolve in water? Vegetable oil, table salt, vinegar, or food coloring? Which one cannot dissolve in water?
I think A.
I also think A. Yeah, it's oil. Very good. Oil cannot dissolve in water. Okay. Which one of these changes is irreversible, meaning you cannot go back?
Burn wood.
Yes. That's it. After you burn the wood, you can't go back to wood. You'll never see wood again. You always have ash now. Okay. What can we see in a chemical change? Fully dissolved in water. Change of smell. Oh, now I see. Change of state or change of state?
Smell.
Yeah, that's it.
Change of smell.
Good job. Has to be change of smell. That's it. Yeah, chemical changes. Color change, smell change, gas bubbles form, and so on and so on. Okay, class, I think we can do the next questions next class. So we finish now at question 11. And next class, we can do the other questions. If you didn't finish the questions, please do the questions 1 to 20, because you have to think and you have to use your brain. If you don't use your brain, you will never be smart. So you have to do the questions on your own. Okay, class, so we can say goodbye, and then I'll see you next time. When do we have class again? I don't know. Let me see. You have class on tomorrow. Yay, tomorrow. Okay, so for tomorrow, please do questions 12 to 20. Okay, class, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Teacher